Experiencing error formatting USB in your Tesla Model 3? These errors usually stem from incorrect file system, size, or speed of your USB drive. Let's explore the common causes that prevent seamless media playback. The first common cause is an incorrect file system. Tesla Model 3 supports FAT32 for basic compatibility and exFAT for larger files. Using other file systems like NTFS will trigger the formatting error. The second cause is drive size. For FAT32, stick to 32 gigs or less. exFAT supports up to 128 gigabytes. Drives larger than these limits will cause formatting errors as the system scans them. The third cause is drive speed. Tesla Model 3 works best with USB 2.0 drives at 480 megabps maximum. Faster USB 3.0 or 3.2 drives can overload the system and prevent proper formatting or recognition. To fix these errors, make sure your USB drive uses the correct file system, stays within the size limits, and operates at USB 2.0 speeds. This will ensure compatible and seamless media playback in your Tesla Model 3. Tesla Model 3 supports two primary file systems, FAT32 and exFAT. FAT32 is the traditional most compatible option, recommended for older models, but it has a 4 gigabyte file size limit. exFAT, introduced in later updates, allows larger files but may not work on older Model 3s. Here's a comparison between FAT32 and exFAT file systems. Choose wisely based on your software version and file sizes. Size matters for Tesla Model 3 USB drives. For FAT32, stick to a maximum of 32 gigabytes. With the 2025 updates and exFAT, you can use up to 128 gigabytes. Using larger drives like 256 Plus will likely cause errors, as the Tesla system scans the entire drive, exceeding processing limits. It is also best practice to use a USB 2.0 flash drive or adapters. When fixing USB errors in your Tesla Model 3, drive speed is crucial. The vehicle's infotainment system requires USB 2.0 compliant drives with a maximum transfer rate of 480 megabits per second. Faster USB 3.0 or newer drives can cause recognition failures or buffering problems because the Model 3's hardware simply isn't built to handle high-speed data transfers from USB ports. Let's look at how USB speeds have evolved over time. This chart shows the dramatic increase in transfer rates from USB 1.0's 12 megabps in 1994 to USB 4.0's 40 gigabps today. However, Tesla's Model 3 specifically requires USB 2.0 speeds. USB 2.0 operates at 480 megabps, which is perfect for the Model 3's media playback needs. Anything faster, like USB 3.0 at 5 gigabps or USB 3.1 at 10 gigabps, can overwhelm the system and lead to errors. Physically, USB 2.0 drives have 4 pins and are typically black or white inside. USB 3.0 drives have 9 pins and often have a blue interior. For Tesla compatibility, always choose USB 2.0 drives to avoid buffering issues during media playback. First, connect your USB drive to your Windows computer. Then, open File Explorer by pressing Windows key E or by searching for it in the Start menu. In File Explorer, locate your USB drive in the list of drives. Right-click on it to open the context menu, then select Format to begin the formatting process. The Format dialog will appear. For the file system, choose FAT32 for maximum compatibility or exFAT for larger files. Make sure the Quick Format option is checked to speed up the process. Finally, click the Start button to begin the formatting process. Be aware that formatting will permanently erase all data on the USB drive, so make sure to back up important files first. First, connect your USB drive to your Mac computer. Next, open Disk Utility. You can find it in Applications/Utilities, or if you're in recovery mode, select Disk Utility from the Options menu. In Disk Utility, select your USB drive from the left sidebar. Make sure to choose the correct drive to avoid formatting the wrong one. Click the Erase button at the top of the window. Choose FAT32 MS-DOS FAT for maximum compatibility or exFAT for larger files. Give your drive a name and confirm. Important, back up any data on the drive first, as formatting will erase everything. If you're still encountering USB formatting errors in your Tesla Model 3, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. First, ensure your drive has a single partition using MBR partitioning, which is the most compatible format for Tesla's system. Second, avoid using encrypted drives, as Tesla's infotainment system cannot decrypt them. This is a common cause of recognition failures. Third, Make sure your vehicle has the latest Tesla software update. Updates often include improvements to USB compatibility and can resolve many issues. If problems continue, try using a different USB drive. Some drives may have hardware incompatibilities. Consider drives within the supported size range, as shown in this capacity table. Finally, consult Tesla's official documentation and community forums for additional troubleshooting tips specific to your model year and software version. While USB drives remain useful, wireless media options are rapidly gaining popularity. Services like Spotify and Bluetooth provide seamless playback without physical drives. Future Tesla models will likely phase out USB-A ports in favor of USB-C, supporting faster speeds and larger capacities. Keep an eye on software updates for auto-formatting features and improved USB compatibility, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. This evolution towards wireless and faster USB technology promises a smoother media experience in Tesla vehicles.